25 used bikes are getting refurbished before getting a second life with children across Metro Atlanta. Our Jamal Gosh shows us how volunteers get them road ready and how two wheels can open up a child's world.
All right, so this is where bicycles come in to Free Bikes for Kids.
They roll in used, some with flat tires, others with years of miles behind them. But the 25 bicycles moving through this Atlanta warehouse are on their way to somewhere special. Before September 2nd, volunteers will clean and repair each bike, making sure they're safe for their next riders. Michael Edwards is one of those volunteers. A cyclist with no kids of his own, he says this is his way of giving back.
Your world expands because when you don't have a bike, only as far as you can walk, because you got to be in earshot of your parents. Then once you got a bike, now your world expands some more and you can go farther.
And here, old doesn't mean done. If a bike can't be saved, its parts can help another one ride again.
A lot of these parts are reclaimed parts. You see some of these tires don't look like new tires, but they are very good tires for us to use. We do purchase a lot of tires, but as many as we can salvage from other bicycles, we do.
Junior DeBarros, vice chair of Free Bikes for Kids Atlanta, says every finished bike gets another set of eyes before it leaves, and every child gets a helmet. In a few weeks, these 25 bikes will head to Glanton Heinzman Elementary School in Villarica. One Love Century and the Bahati Foundation will teach the kids bike safety before sending them home with their own new wheels.
I know what it means for me as an adult when I'm able to get on a bike.
Euphemia Cabrera DeMore, vice president of the Metro Atlanta Cycling Club, helps connect the bikes to the kids. She says some children arrive at their clinics with a bike they already own, but when they receive a refurbished one, she's watched them pass their own bike to another child.
If I'm getting this one, now you take this one and you give it to somebody else. It's an amazing thing to watch that happen. And it happens, fortunately, every time we do it.
One bike gets another life, one child gets a little more freedom, and then sometimes that gift keeps rolling to the next child.
That was our Jamal Goss reporting. Free Bikes for Kids provides 1,000 to 1,200 bikes every year through groups with cycling programs across the city. The nonprofit says funding is their biggest barrier to reaching even more children.